So this is how our circuit is going to work. We are going to power our circuit and see how the whole system goes on. So when we power it there, we shall see that the Arduino is powered up. The 8 mega is also powering up, and on our LCD we have that it is setting up the GSM to get the signal. It has fast load. Yes, GSM is now ready. So the initial position is that our bridge is in a closed position while our rod is open. The road block is open and there is access to the bridge, and our green light is on so that drivers can access it. So we shall consider the water level. So you can see our water value, which is 2 meters, which is exactly what is here on our calibration. It is on level 2. So this means that the water level below the bridge is normal, and people can still keep on using the bridge because there is no any case of floods occurring. So if we add in more water, if it goes above the required value, we shall see that it is going to cut off the bridge. It is going to cut off access to the bridge, and I'll just have to wait a bit. It's now showing that it is 7 meters above water level. So if it's above, it sends a text which has been sent by our GSM. So after sending the text, it should turn the red light on to indicate that there's no more access to the bridge. And there's a buzzer that sounds. Then the road servo cuts off access to the bridge. So after the road servo cutting off access to the bridge is supposed to open. The drawbridge opens as shown. To cut off access. Yes, and that's how our system works.